D8 and I see for an answer no solution. What did I need to see before x equals no solution, Jack?
You're trying to solve it.
Yep, but what happened right before you wrote this down? What did I have to see if you wrote no solution?
Oh, you had to see. Oh, what he came out with, and it's like the number is like not equal to the other number.
So like you had 4 equals -4, right? If I saw that on your paper and then I saw no solution. But what if I saw something like this? 3x plus 4 equals -4 plus 3x. And that's what you had. So making sure that you don't just have this equation, that you go a step further and tell me the true statement or the false statement, right? Okay. If I was looking at an answer and I looked at your homework tonight and I saw x equals all real numbers, right before that, someone want to give me an example of what I had to see for us?
16 equals 16.
16 equals 16. I saw 2 numbers being equal. I didn't see this great big equation with a bunch of stuff over here and a bunch of stuff over here, and you just looked at it and go, oh, that is all real numbers. I need to see the true statement. So on the quiz on Thursday, right, quiz Thursday, there is going to be 10 questions. 9 of them are going to be questions that are kind of just like this worksheet. You're going to come in, 9 of them are going to be like this. One of them is going to be a perimeter problem, like you saw in D11. Okay? Question 10 and 11, there is, or on D7, excuse me. On D7, number 10 and 11 on D7. Okay? There's going to be a perimeter question. Okay? So, are there any questions from either D7 or D8 that I could answer before we look at what we're going to be doing today? Okay? Yes.
We're handing these in today.
We are handing these in today. Okay? All right. Before, in your homework, what was one of our solutions? Or when you solved one of the problems, what did you get for one of the answers on D8? X equals what? Look at your D8. What would you have for one of the answers?
3.
X equals 3. So you could have x equals a number, right? Could be like x equals 3. Aiden, what else could I have had?
No solution.
I could have had x equaled no solution. And Jack, the other possibility was?
Or is 2 of them.
Well, give me one.
The 2 lines and then the R that goes in the
All real numbers. Okay. What was the other one?
16 equals 16.
Oh, 16 equals 16, that's this one. If I have 16 equaling 16, right, that is all real. Okay. If I would have had 16 equaling -16, that is no solution, right? And if I get x equals 3, it's x equals 3, or x equals 7, or x equals 10. Do you think it's ever possible to have x equals 0? Yeah. Right? I can add 0, and like if I have a problem and I want to substitute in 0, 0 could work. Do you think I could have x equals 1? Yeah. Possible solution. Okay? So, those are the 3 types of answers you're going to see. So, this is where I'd ask you to do this activity in class. It says, you need to look at the 12 equations below and determine the nature of their solutions. And actually, you're not just going to look at them, you're going to actually write them on the sheet of notebook paper. So, it says in each box, write one of the following answers. When I look at your notes at the end of class, I will either see x equals all real numbers, written right below here, or I'll see x equals no solution, or I'll see x equals a number, right? I'm going to do that for every single one of these. You're going to write one of these 3 possibilities, okay? It says use a separate piece of paper, So right now on that separate piece of paper, I do not want you to write anything in here till you've done it on a piece of paper. We will talk about just a couple of these, but I want you to start with number 1 and 2. So if I was looking at number 1, right, I'm going to write down the problem for number 1 on my paper. So you can write at the top of your paper notes 9, right, because this is our unit lesson 9 notes, okay? And you are going to copy number 1, 2 minus x, so you're going to put down number 1, 2 minus x equals x minus 2. Please solve that one. And here is my hint. Remember, always add or subtract the smaller x first. So you're going to try this with this. So you can kind of start this out and try it. Because this is kind of just building on what we've done. But you should do this because this is kind of some stuff from last week. I know some of us didn't see a little more. Okay. So, my hint is always get the smaller x by itself or get the number by itself and the x on the other side, okay? Number by itself or x. I want everyone right now to look at problem 5. We're going to look at problem 5 and 9 as those give people problems. 5, 9, and 10, okay? So question number 5. If you are looking at question number 5, I have x divided by 2 equals x. How can I get rid of dividing by 2? I could multiply both sides. So I want everyone to write down question number 5 on your paper. Even if it's out of order, you've just done 1, and I put down number 5. X over 2 equals x, right? X over 2 equals x. You guys just said we're going to multiply on both sides by what? 2. So this side, 2 over 1, the 2's cancel. And this side I get 2. What's this value left here? 1x equals 2x. I'm not going to go any further with that, but you're going to solve that. Okay? You want to finish the problem. Move all the x's to one side and solve it. Okay? I want you right now to take a look at question 9. What would we do in question 9? Anyone have any hints for us? What are you going to do in number 9? We've never had an x on the bottom. Jaden, what are we going to do?
You divide the 10.
Well, we could divide the 10, but by an x, that's weird. So how can I get rid of the denominator? How did I get rid of the denominator here? Multiply both sides by 2x. Multiply both sides by 2x, right? So let's look at number 9. We're going to put number 9. It was 10 divided by 2x, right? Equal 5, was it? Yeah. Okay. And you said we're going to multiply both sides by 2x. It's going to leave us with 10x. You have on this side, just 10. Do you know how to solve a problem? 10 times x equals 10? It's not hard. I have had people interestingly tell me the answer was 0 to this. And my question was, so you take 10 times 0 and get 10? Oh, I forgot to solve it this way. Okay, so you want to finish that one. I'm going to give you one more hint, and I want you to write this one down. We're going to do it right on this page right here. The most common mistake that I've seen people write this is they wanted to make this 2x. This is x plus 2. Keep it like that. Here, you're going to divide 2x by 2. What's 2x divided by 2? 1x. Plus, now we're going to take 4 and divide it by 2, which leaves us with 2. As you are working, I would really like you to work with a shoulder partner, a buddy. I want someone to check your stuff over. What you are going to do before you have me check your answer. You're gonna have an answer written in all of these spots. It's either gonna be all real numbers, no solution, or x equals a number. I will come around once you and your partner or whoever you're working with, and I would have up to a group of 3. You work on it and you're solving it and you get all these and you raise your hand and I come over and I'm just gonna have you read your answers going down. And I'm gonna tell you, yes, that's right, or number 7 is wrong, or number 6 is wrong. And then you and your partner are gonna try and figure it out, okay?